Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll be showing you Marvel collection. This is Iron Man, this is Hulk, this is Captain America, this is Spider-Man. This is so cool because they have a plug on the back. The coolest thing about this is that they can talk from one speaker.
Friday, full power. I am Iron Man. Avengers, assemble. Friday, full power. Whoa, heads up.
Whoa, heads up.
Here comes Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
It's web slinging time. This suit is amazing. Web shooters engaged. That was awesome. Deploying web wings. Whoa, heads up.
But I like his trousers.
You like the trousers?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Isn't it? The suit is cool.
I am Captain America. Avengers, assemble.
Simba.
We fight as a team. I am Captain America. Hulk smash!
That's cool. Hulk is smashing.
Hulk smash!
They are all talking from Captain America's speaker. This is our Avengers Infinity War collection. Thank you for watching. Bye, see you later.